Hello viewers, welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see different type tree trolley design ideas. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. If it looks like a new invention, you have to know the origin of the tea trolleys dates back about 80 years ago when the Finnish designer and architect Alvar Aalto designed this streamlined tea trolley for the Milan Triennale, an international exhibition of decorative arts. The design of this tea trolley is extraordinary, featuring ceramic tiles and rattan basket, presenting more than an static piece of furniture but a functional design, as you can see in the photos. It presents Japanese influence, seen its creator was a close friend of the Japanese ambassador to Finland and his wife, Hakotaro and Kayako. Chikuwa introducing Alvar Aalto into the Japanese culture and aesthetics, architecture and woodworking. The name links it to the tea serving, but this masterpiece is versatile. One can slip it halfway under a desk to stow away papers or supplies, while the basket can easily hold magazines or even plants. In a kid's room, it will prove more than useful, from children's desks to storage space. I hope this video will help you to get better ideas to serve snacks, drinks and foods very conveniently with tea trolley. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.